So exciting. The 2025 Ecolo ET4 Rios, RIO, are in, and they have done some wonderful changes. It's much cleaner, it's much more refined, and some great improvements, I will say. These are the two colors that they're available in, obviously gray and red. What makes these so spectacular is that this is the only mobility scooter offered in lithium. Lithium's a big deal. It's going to last 3 times as long. It is something that it's a little pack that you can just remove. So if you live somewhere where it can't be stored inside or in an insulated garage over the winter, this is a great option for you. And it doesn't even cost that much more. They're $37.95 and there's no HST on these. So I love the new lights, these lights and these lights. It's a really new design because the mobility scooters they kind of all look the same and they're not as clean. And these ones look really, really clean, and they've raised the handlebars and they've lowered the seat a little bit. So it's very nice. So what I want to point out in the Rio is not only does it have lithium battery, but the suspension on these are heavy duty. They're much more robust. They're much more they're going to handle all terrain. All of these are all terrain, but this is more so going to handle more bumps. And so when people come here to test drive, we have a speed bump over there, and I'm like, test drive this 4-wheel, now take the Rio and test drive that one. And it's got independent suspension, so it's not so jarring when you go over bumps. I even had a customer trade in a 3-wheel for this because the suspension on it was just too hard. So it's a really nice handling. It's lithium, it's very quick, it's very responsive, does a top speed of 30-32. Back to the suspension, it's very high quality. I don't know how else to explain it, but if we put it side by side to another 4-wheel, you would see the difference. And then the only downfall from that is its turning radius isn't quite as tight as the 4-wheel. Okay. That kind of helps show you the suspension. Oh, Boss was gonna do it too. Wonderful. Okay, I'm going to show you some nice upgrades that they've done on this one. When you have a mobility scooter that doesn't have dynamic braking or a motor brake, which means that when you throttle and you let off the throttle, it brings you to a stop. The Rio doesn't do that. It's free moving. And so they've created a much better parking brake on these. Before you had to pull this in, 2 hands, pull that up. This one, you pull this in and you press the button. How easy is that? You still need 2 hands, but it is so much better and so much easier. Their reverse and drive is a lot more clear. Before it was like this green button, and then your 1, 2, and 3 is your speed. So you're going to get 20 kilometers an hour, 25 or 32 when you're on level 3, and that just shows you in the gauge here. It is a bit dark, not gonna lie. So actually I just turned the lights off, so it's a little bit brighter. So when you turn your night lights on, it dims it. You still can't really see it. I don't know, the technology we have these days, but we still can't do that. So you've got your lights over here, high beam, low beam, reverse. I like this. When you're in reverse, your 4-ways come on and you don't have that annoying beep, because that beep is annoying, not gonna lie. So getting back to the functions of it, it does have an alarm system. It does have remote start. That's very nice. We've got your charging port down here. So that's where you're gonna charge in, plug your unit in. Right there, and when the light turns green, it is done charging. With the same key, you're going to open up your tail box. Oh, there we go. A very expensive metal charger and your manual. There we go. We're going to lock those up. And underneath here, you also have another storage. So you turn that to the right and you open this up. This is your battery. So if you want to store your bike in the winter, you're going to turn that off. You're going to undo this. You're going to unclip this. Oh, it's a little tough. I like how they put that little lever on there. And then you're going to take the battery out. It is quite light. I would say this is maybe 15 pounds. So this is very manageable. And they put some foam in the bottom there. Again, that's going to reduce your noise, because if you do go over bumps, you will hear your battery move. But then we've got this clip here. That's going to keep it more into place. We're going to plug that back in. Boop, boop. Love that. That is also an upgraded feature, because before you used to have to take out this box, so that wasn't as user friendly. It sure is now. That's great. All right, Bosco, why don't you take this one and take it for a ride, and I'll take the red one. Got to turn it on. Take the e-brake off, pull the left lever in. Left, left. Pull your brake lever in on the left. There you go. Now you can go. These are zippy. All right, let's turn around. They've got a wider turning radius. I win. They're fast. They are pretty fast, but if you keep it on one, it slows down your throttle and your top speed, so you can just keep it at one. But if you want some more fun and some exhilaration, put it on 3. Good stopping. 4-wheel disc brakes. These ones are just a lot of fun. And they're stable, but the seating position is much better. It's got reclining seat as well, back and forth. Yeah, these are my favorite. This and the LX for sure. These are the best sellers. Lithium battery and quick and comfortable. Yeah, this is much better. Well done, Ecolo. Good improvements. Look good. I love the lights and they're fun to drive, right? Take it in some grass.
3.
Oh, he's in 3. And that is your Ecolo Rio. Buy them from Ride the Wind.